Look at how your legs are hanging out. You don't fit.
I don't care. I will stay here forever.
Within the list. Only within the list.
I'm trying to stay in the
but
car.
I don't know if that will ever happen. Seriously. That one?
Yeah. Applesauce.
I love these recipe cards. You get the little book and then you get these recipe cards. I love. These are good. On Wednesdays, the sushi is $5. Today is Monday. It is not Wednesday, so I will come back to when it's $5. They're not bad. They're not bad at all. Alright, we'll see. You know what? I didn't put meat in the list, but I know we need some meat. So I'm just going to get ground turkey. We have chicken wings at home. Maybe I can make tacos with this or mix it with pasta. Tacos?
Tacos.
Tacos it is.
That they're celebrating. And one is like this.
Detergent.
Grab it. Ah.
I didn't have shredded cheese on the list, but I know we need shredded cheese because I don't have shredded cheese at home. So far so good. We're not overdue. String cheese for lunch boxes. I didn't buy string cheese. 18 count. What happened? Your stomach, puppy?
Oh no, when you wake up, you feel something right there.
Oh, okay. I don't know what's up with the supermarket. I feel like they're changing things around. I was just over here getting applesauce and then went to the other side to get the juice boxes, and they were on the same aisle all along. Why? Why? Alright, so this is on my list. Juice boxes. Put this in there. Juicy juice.
Popcorn chips are good. There's one more.
Popcorn chips? That's not on the list. Alright, we're done. And we're fine. Coconut oil. That's what I use instead of lotion. I always use coconut oil. All over. And now we're done. Rice made from vegetables. It's interesting. I'm gonna keep going.
Mommy, look, they have it.
So is it possible to only buy what's on your list? Maybe. For me, hardly ever. Once in a blue moon, I can do it. I think especially if you have kids, I don't know, if you love food, I don't know, I just always get a couple of items, but I didn't do that bad. So I got an email from Starbucks. They have this, you know, rewards program, which I ended up downloading the Starbucks app again, only because I had it before and I used to add money on it, but I feel like that's gonna make me always want to buy it. I gotta control that. But anyway, I downloaded it again because you would get half off iced drinks for the month of July on Tuesday. So now, of course, there's another thing. You get like 40 reward points if you buy 2 Frappuccino coffees from now, which is...
Mommy, there's Starbucks right there. Let's go.
Okay, we will. We will. From now, today is the 9th. I think it started the 7th. To the 15th of August.
Let's go to Starbucks, Mama.
My daughter, okay, my daughter likes the vanilla frap, and I don't get fraps. I usually get the oat milk, brown sugar, la-di-da. So, anyway.
We love Starbucks. This is a family of Starbucks. Subscribe. She got me a grande.
By mistake, Layla. It was supposed to be a tall. Thank you. You too. So I was gonna get a Frappuccino because of the awards, but I already did for my daughter, and you could only get one every, you know, per purchase, like every time you purchase it. So I can't do like 2 or 3 of them at a time, so it's 1 drink at a time. So hers will count for the rewards. And then remember on my video, I think 2 videos ago, I tried a new Starbucks drink when I went to Five Below, and then I said next time I will come, I'll do the iced toasted vanilla oat milk with sweet cold foam, because I always add sweet cold foam, since I tried the chocolate almond milk one that time. So here it is, the iced toasted vanilla. I don't think it'll be much different from what I usually get, but we'll see.
Taste a different one?
It is pretty good. It's different. I taste the toastiness, the vanilla flavor. It's not brown sugar. It doesn't have brown sugar in it, so it is a little different. But it's pretty good. I like it. And you know what I really like about Starbucks drinks is that the name of the drink will sound so sugary, but then when you get it, it's not that sugary. It's like the coffee kind of cuts it off. I don't know what it is, but it's so good.
Except this one.
That one is the vanilla bean frap. It's pretty sugary. So this is a plus as well. Have not been disappointed yet. So cheers. So even though I showed you more or less what I got while I was at the supermarket, but just a little haul so you can see it all laid out here. What was on the list, what was not on the list. So popcorn chips definitely were not on the list, but my kids love these. They saw it, they asked for it. Juice boxes were on the list. I thought of getting like an extra snack for their lunchbox since they start school on Wednesday. Pasta was not on the list. I just had remembered that we are running low on pasta. Shredded cheese was not on the list. Remembered I needed some extra snack for school. Just at least some meat so I could do tacos, and maybe do the other half to mix with some pasta for those that don't want tacos. Eggs were on the list. Sauce I had remembered. Ketchup was on the list. Detergent on the list. My coconut oil was on the list. And I got extra drinks for Layla too for her lunchbox. So it wasn't too much of an overage. The receipt was 80 bucks. Not too bad. Not too bad. When I go directly to the supermarket, even though it's probably a little more expensive than going to Walmart or Target, but if I would have went to Walmart or Target, I would have overspent on household things, which is cray-cray. And my Starbucks drink, still sipping on it. He fell asleep in the car. Sleepy, sleepy, sleepy head. And she's right to her computer. I'll help him. Nice. Haircut was a success. I love seeing him with a fresh haircut, and he loves it too. The after result. Now I'm gonna drop him off home. Miguel's gonna take him a bath because he has hair all over the place and makes him all itchy. Subscribe, thank you. So he got his fresh new haircut. School starts Wednesday, today's Monday, and then tonight we have orientation. So I'll be going with Layla to orientation to meet the teacher, take some supplies, and do all that good stuff. So my last task of the day was going to orientation at the kids' school. So I got a folder for Adong and a Chromebook for Layla. She's in 5th grade, so she gets a computer this year. And yeah, and that is it for my day. It was pretty busy. Did a little bit of grocery shopping, the haircut for Adong before school starts, and then the orientation night. So now I'm just gonna shower, have a little snack, and then just chill out until it's time to sleep. Hope you guys enjoyed your day as well, and see you guys soon. Did a little platter, glass of wine, not a glass, this little tumbler cup thingy. But yeah, my little nighttime snack to rest.